Well, hello YouTube, Dano here. Another quick haul from yesterday actually. Exolite brand, made in the USA. This is a very nice screwdriver. Hasn't been molested in any way, I don't think. It's got the clip there. We got a 3/4 and 11/16. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. It says Kennedy. Wrench looks pretty good. A little worse for wear, but not bad. There's another one of these Mastercraft from back in the day. I'm assuming these are going to be like late 60s, early 70s. I gotta look that up, see where that falls. And then I got this. This cost me $2. I get paid for like $3 for everything I'm showing there. We got Hope. There's all kinds of weird ones on here. Husky. Fleet. Canada. Brit Tool. Husky. I guess another Husky. Husky. Craftsman. Another Craftsman. B code. Yeah, that fact, what the hell, cheap enough. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.